Hello and welcome to another episode of Local Expert Interviews TV. And today I'm with Rachel Spencer-Robb of LCF Law in Ilkley. And the topic we're going to discuss is how to find a good family lawyer in Ilkley. Hello, Rachel.
Hi, James. Hi.
Hi. So, Rachel, I'm sure people know that many people look for a family lawyer online each and every day. So can you tell me perhaps three things that you would recommend that people look for when they search for a family lawyer?
Well, first of all, James, I think the best thing for anybody to do who's looking for some family law advice is to ask friends and family who might have been through a similar experience and have had need to consult a solicitor. There's no substitute for a personal recommendation by somebody who's been through a similar thing to what that client potentially might need. If there isn't anybody around or anybody would like to just have a look online, there are websites that dealing with family law issues, particularly Resolution, which is the National Association of Family Law Solicitors. Their website is an excellent resource for all sorts of information, but also gives a list of all the family law experts in various areas around the country. So clients can log on, put their postcode in and find a family law specialist within a certain mile radius of their postcode. There are online legal directories, which are national directories of all sorts of firms of solicitors that are then broken down into geographical areas and ranked by tiers as to specialist subjects, so that clients can have a look at different firms in their area and what they specialise in. And those are independent reviews of law firms by other law firms and clients who have used them. So there's lots of information available to help somebody find a specialist in the area that they need.
That's some great advice, Rachel. So, I mean, you've been in the business now in the legal practice for 17 years. Can you tell me what makes LCF Law different from other law practices in and around the Ilkley area, so West Yorkshire, for example?
Well, at LCF, we just make things very easy for clients. We appreciate that their time is more precious than ours, and we are there to let them get on with their lives and to solve problems that they have and make the complex seem easy. We are a jargon-free, clear. We don't tell people what they want to hear, but what they need to hear, and have clear pricing structures so that people know exactly what they're getting when they come to see any of the lawyers, not just myself as a family lawyer, but any of our lawyers here. We appreciate that people are very busy and they just need to get on with their lives and their business, and that's what we at LCF Law will do.
Great. So, Rachel, tell me, if I was in need of a family lawyer and I contacted LCF Law, can you walk me through the experience that I could expect from the first point of contact?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, if it was a telephone call or if you wanted to call into reception, and certainly our Ilkley office is in the centre of town, so we're very convenient for people who are passing, who might want to call in. They will certainly receive a warm welcome from any of the staff who work there. If anybody needs any family law advice, it's me. I'm a partner and head of the family law team. I work at the Ilkley office, and it would be me, therefore, that saw them from the first appointment that they wanted some advice to the last time that they needed some advice along the way throughout the case. So it's a very personal service, but equally they would also have a good relationship with my secretary and support staff, so that they hopefully would feel that we're really interested in the issues that they have and how we can help them. We obviously deal with a lot on email these days if people are happy with that, and therefore can respond to issues very quickly, very much usually within the hour or two, certainly the same day. If people need an appointment, then certainly I would be seeing them within the week of their first contact of the firm, if not within a few days. So it's a very personal service, which has been appreciated by previous clients. It's something that they very often remark on, and I think that that's almost also what sets us apart from other law firms in the area.
Rachel, that's great. So For somebody who is looking for a family lawyer, you recommend that one, look at that firm online, check out their reputation, see what other independent people are saying about that firm. Two, get in touch with that practice and find out whether you connect on a personal level with that practice and the person who'll be dealing with you. And then finally to approach them and get a consultation of sorts to see if they understand the specific problems that that person's going through. Is that correct?
Absolutely, and as I say, it is as much about the rapport. Every law firm will practice law, that's what they're about. The family law client, it has a specific need for somebody who has or can have an emotional empathy, so that that client really feels that they've got somebody in their corner, whether it's for agreements being drafted up to make sure that they're in their best interest, or if it's something that is needing more negotiation with their spouse or former partner. So whilst every other law firm may practice the law, it's important for them to come and actually meet us to make sure that they're comfortable with the person who's going to be advising them. And we offer an initial consultation for no charge, simply because it takes as long as it takes. We wouldn't like clients to feel that they were time limited, or that they had to pay for what would effectively be some general advice and a getting to know where they're at. And so, as I say, it is something that hopefully will help clients when they're on that tricky path.
Excellent. Rachel, I think you've given some great advice to those who are looking for a family lawyer. And if you are looking for a family lawyer and you're in the West Yorkshire area in Ilkley, then please do call Rachel Spencer-Robb of LCF Law. She is the partner and head of the family law there, and you can contact Rachel on 01943 601 020. So Rachel, once again, thank you very much for this segment. I think you provided some great content, and hopefully we'll see you again on another segment.
Lovely. Okay, thanks James. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye.